No gold is not in her.
Poem Time by Christina Rossetti. How many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it. How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shower. How many hours in a day? 24 for work and play. How many days in a week? 7 both to hear and speak. How many weeks in a month? 4 as the swift moon runneth. The meaning of swift is moving quickly, and the meaning of runneth is known as the old form of the runs. How many months in a year? 12. The almanac makes clear. What is almanac? Almanac को आप हिंदी में कहते हैं पंचांग. The almanac is a book that gives information about important days and dates. वो हमें important days और dates की जानकारी देता है. Phases of the moon, the daily time of rising and setting of the sun, चंद्रमा की कलाएं, सूर्योदय और सूर्यास्त की जानकारी, the moon, other planets and stars etc. An almanac gives the information for the whole year. पूरे साल की जानकारी हमें इस पंचांग द्वारा मिलती है. How many years in an age? Age. The meaning in Hindi is shatabdi, sadi. 100 says the sage. The meaning of sage is the wise man, chatur vyakti. How many ages in time? No one knows the rhyme. There is no answer that how many ages in time. No one knows the rhyme. Students, let's see the exercise for this poem. List the rhyming word or pairs from the poem. Then put each pair into two groups as follows. राइमिंग वर्ड्स को आपको दो भागों में बांटना है. वे दो भाग क्या हैं? पहले भाग में आपको ऐसे राइमिंग वर्ड्स के पेयर्स बनाने हैं जिनमें सेम स्पेलिंग पैटर्न दिखाई देते हैं, और दूसरे में आपको ऐसे राइमिंग वर्ड्स लिखने हैं जिनमें स्पेलिंग्स सेम नहीं है. डे, प्ले, ईयर, क्लियर, एज, सेज. And the different spellings rhyming word pairs are minute, eat, hour, shower, week, speak, month, runth, time, rhyme. Let's see the second question. List all the words related with time from the poem. कविता से ऐसे शब्दों की सूची बनाइए जो समय से संबंधित हैं. So let's see the words. Seconds, minutes, hour, day, week, month, year, and age. The next question. Write other chains of how many questions and answers. इस कविता में आपने जिस प्रकार how many अर्थात कितने इस प्रश्न को लेकर प्रश्नों की श्रृंखला बनाते हुए देखा, वैसे ही प्रश्न आपको तैयार करने हैं। इसके लिए आपको कुछ सुझाव दिए गए हैं, लाइक मिली, सेंटी, डेसीमीटर, डेका, हेक्टो, किलो। इनमें आप संबंध जोड़ते हुए श्रृंखला में प्रश्न बनाइए और उनके उत्तर लिखिए। लाइक हाउ मेनी मिलीमीटर्स इन अ सेंटीमीटर? You can answer this and you can make questions like this only. Let's see the next question. In this question, we are going to make idiomatic pairs. What are the idiomatic pairs? Sun and shower, work and play, hear and speak. ऐसे शब्द जो अक्सर साथ में उपयोग में लाए जाते हैं। You have these two tables here and you have to make the pairs with these two tables. So let us make the pairs. Day and night. Now and then. Read and write. Bread and butter. Up and down. High and low. Left and right. Life and death. North and south. East and west. Back and forth. Give and take. Make and break. More and less. Sooner and later. Trial and error. Yes and no. On and off. In and out. Black and white. So ready for the next video, my dear friends. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. See you.